Hey there humans, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me over on this side of the YouTube. For those of you that are new to my channel, hi, I'm Becky. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining, watching. I really hope you like this video and I hope you guys stick around. So in today's video, I have just been doing this new technique with my eyebrows and I wanted to share it with you guys. So today's product, I'll be using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. This is what it looks like here. And I'll be using the pencil that is the non-sharpened one. So the one where I can create strokes. So I'm just going to show you guys here on this side. On one side, it has a spoolie. And on the other side, that's the pencil. So firstly, what I'm going to do is use the spoolie and I'm going to brush out my eyebrows. Just gently brushing them out, brushing them upwards and inwards. So this is before I have applied the Got to Be. I was still using I'm still using Got to Be. I didn't get the brow gel. I didn't get the Benefit brow gel that goes with this set, but you can get that as well, which would help for fluffy eyebrows. So I'm just brushing up my eyebrows, or one side or this side. My eyebrows are pretty thick, so I'm trying to encourage them to kind of like just stay together and go together. So then I'm going to go in with the pencil, but before this I did put the Got to Be on and then let it dry and set. So what I'm going to do is go in from the center of the beginning of my eyebrow towards my nose and do a few strokes. So I'm doing more strokes onto the bottom part of my eyebrow first, because that's the part that I feel like you have to do kind of like the ombre effect, and then little strokes towards the tip of the eyebrow. And nowadays I prefer my eyebrows to look almost really natural and not so sharp. So I kind of don't do the tip of my eyebrow so pointy anymore. That's me trying to get the colour in, and then I'm going to move on to the other side and then just try to achieve the same. So I've kind of just tried to to the sections where I feel like it's almost like empty in colour, empty in hair. So I kind of just fill in those parts. And the colour that I'm using is 3.5. So that's more of like a brown colour, which I think that when you do have like a brown or a deep brown on your eyebrows, it makes it look really, really natural. Before I used to use black. I still love a black pencil, black paint, but nowadays I kind of just do this, and this is what it looks like so far. This is what it looks like when I come in close. And then now I've kind of like seeing and taking it to the top of places where I feel like it is a bit empty. But I feel like I could have gone in a bit more, a few more strokes on the end part, but it's fine. Still as fluffy and as natural as how I like it. So then I just use the spoolie to kind of fluff up the ends. And now I've taken a bit more glue and kind of just going over on top. The Got To Be glue hairspray, it doesn't leave like flakes, so that's why I like it quite a lot. Now I'm just brushing up precisely and trying to get them to kind of sit well. So now I'm going to take my Born This Way concealer, and this is in the colour Mocha. I'm only just doing Mocha. Usually I would use a brighter colour underneath my eye, but today I just thought I was going to do a natural look. So so today I just did a no foundation look. So I'm just kind of gone with this colour, which is a bit brighter than my skin tone. So underneath I'm just doing as my usual. I'm doing a line underneath one side and then a line underneath the other side, and I've just used a tiny bit of product. So this is what it looks like, and then now I'm just going to blend it out. So I blend from underneath the arch first, and then the tip, and then I go back in on the inner bit and then blend all together onto my eyelid. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. So you guys can do, you can also do bright concealer on the top of the eyebrow if you really like that kind of sharp effect, or you can just use the one shade lighter and go all around. So this is kind of what it looks like. And then I'm just dabbing with my sponge. Then I'll finish up. So this is what it looks like. This is what I have managed to achieve. So that's defined my eyebrows and made it ultra fine, and the drawing of the pencil, you kind of have to do it in a way of strokes, so it just makes it more easy, more natural. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. So that is it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. I really hope it was helpful and useful. Let me know down below in the comments what you do and how you would do it, and any advice to kind of share to others, let me know. And yeah, thank you so much again for joining and watching. If you want to keep up with me offline from here, then you can follow me over on my TikTok, follow me over on my Instagram, and yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.